Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keyboard on Netflix. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about Netflix and we click. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching.